What's good, people? RXL, big time fragrance influencer. I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm in the mansion. You see the vast mansion behind me because I am a big time fragrance influencer. I just wanted to make a real quick video. I had a fragrance video planned for today, but the camera died, so I'm letting it charge. I'll shoot the video. It should be ready in the next couple days. If you guys have kept up with the channel, we're mostly fragrances now. We do love some drama now and then, but I've noticed, I think last month I broke a record for new subscribers. I broke a record for AdSense revenue generated. I broke a record for views. And so every time somebody wants to start some kind of drama or nonsense, right when I'm about to start recording that video, I look and I see the 1, 2, 3 subscribers that may have subscribed that day, and that's not what they subscribed for. A lot of them are coming from reviews, and I don't want them to subscribe after watching a review and then seeing me go off on a bunch of autistic people. That's just not me anymore. If that's the content you guys want to watch, there's plenty of channels out there. You're more than free to watch them. I just ask that as you go to those channels, you politely and quietly, you don't have to tell me, just unsubscribe from this one, just go away. I won't miss you, I promise. But over the past month or two, or even like the past year, I get these screenshots from these arguments on Reddit, and they're arguing, and in the argument, they're like, haha, RXL, it's you, I know it's you. It's not me. It's not me. You're arguing with somebody else. I'm right here. If you want to know anything from me, I'll gladly tell you here. I'm not on Reddit. You are arguing with somebody that is not me, and embarrassing yourself doing so, because the ultimate win for whoever the hell is arguing with you, I don't know who these people are that you are arguing with. That's got to be the ultimate win, that they have you so shook and discombobulated that you think they are an entirely different person. That person is me. It is not. If it was, I would gladly tell you and call you a retard. I get a lot of texts too about you're living in this person's head rent free. I don't care about any of that. I'm just trying to set you, the slow people, your mind at ease. It's not me. You're not talking to me. You're embarrassing yourself to a completely different person that is not me. I'm just trying to save you some time and some worry. Clearly, this kind of stuff keeps people like you up at night. It doesn't. A lot of people say, RXL, he makes these videos and he laughs at his own jokes. It's because it's so ridiculous that I'm having trouble not laughing during the video, and I don't plan on doing any edits in the video, so I'm sorry if it kind of annoys you, but I can't help it because it's so ridiculous. It really is. Like, I don't know what is going on in these people's heads. I think that a lot of them are mentally ill and they're slow. I don't care about any of this. You guys have your fun. If you still, for some reason, want to believe it's me, like your life just can't function properly unless you're on some random Reddit page arguing with who you think is me, that I'll give that to you. You have it. God bless you. You slow potatoes. You have had it. I'm going to the gym to turn these 18-inch arms into 19-inch arms right now. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn about this nonsense that you're doing. It did entertain me briefly for the 3 minutes I've seen some of these screenshots. Other than that, I mean, you're only humiliating yourself. I am not there to laugh at you. It's like trickle-down economics. Maybe it's trickle-down autism. Your autism eventually trickles down to the Goon Squad, which then messages to me because they know I'm going to laugh at you. It's not me, guys. It really isn't. It really isn't. That's the funny part. It really isn't me. But you're so stupid. I gotta go, man. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying how pathetic people are, just way too much for it to even be healthy for me. So I'm just going to go to the gym right now. Just relax, people. Relax. You go give yourself a fucking heart attack or something, worrying about a person that's not even there. That's all I got to say about that.